discuss about the fifth poem, right? You know what is that? So big. Okay. So in that poem, you have learned some interesting words and you have learned some meaning words, isn't it? And you have learned how to recite the poem also, isn't it? Fine. So today's class we are going to learn about the textbook activity of fifth poem. You know what is that? So big. Okay. Already you know about the poem, right? That poem is going to describe about the dinosaur, isn't it? I hope that you have enjoyed the Jurassic Park movie and that poem, right? Fine. So dear children, today's class we are going to learn about the textbook activity of fifth poem, that is So Big. Okay. Dear children, now you must open your textbook and open the page number 36. Okay. First book. What did you learn? First month. Take the correct option to complete the following sentences. A. The dinosaur an ancient beast means. First one, they have given three answers. Read it here. The dinosaur was very old. Second one, the dinosaur was found a long time ago. Third one, the dinosaur was very huge beast. So in these three answers, which is the right answer? Okay, the dinosaur an ancient beast means the dinosaur was found a long time ago. So second one is right answer. So you put the right mark for that. Okay. Second one, his stomach a garage means the dinosaur's stomach is huge. Second one, the dinosaur's stomach is full of cars. Third one, the dinosaur's stomach is dirty. So in these three answers, his stomach a garage means the dinosaur's stomach is huge. Okay. So put the right mark for to first one. So turn the page number 37. Second math. Answer the following questions. So here they have given questions, right? Try to get answer for these questions. If you don't get, I will send to the WhatsApp. Then you can copy and write. Okay. Shall we go to the next one? Fine. Dear children, now you can see the page number 37. What's the good word? Okay. What they have given is a good word. A simile is when you say that a person, place, animal or thing is similar to something else. Okay. It uses the words like and as to show the comparison. See children, so this is the good word, right? You know what is that? Simile. Simile means it is similar. Okay. So we have to compare for something. So that is called the simile or similar. Okay. So I am comparing myself to another my friend. Okay. I am running very fast than my friend. For example, my friend is looking like you. Okay. So I use the word here like. Okay. Just look here. My friend is looking like you. Dear children, my friend is looking like you. So I use the word here like. Okay. This word shows you that comparison, isn't it? It will similar to that word. See, my friend. Okay. How she is my friend? She is looking like you. Okay, my friend is looking like you. I am comparing my friend to you. Okay, so I am comparing, right? So my friend is similar to you. Okay, so this is called the simile. So like here you are getting some more examples in your textbook. Rajan runs as fast as cheetah. Rani is as beautiful as a fairy. Rani is as beautiful as fairy. Look here children. Rani is as beautiful as fairy. Okay, I use the word here as. Okay. Rani. How she is Rani? Beautiful as fairy. Okay. I am comparing Rani to the fairy. Okay. Rani is beautiful, right? But how she is? She is like a fairy. Okay. So I am comparing the Rani to the fairy. So she is a beautiful. I use the word here as. Okay. See, once again look here. My friend is looking like you. Like it is comparing my friend to you. Okay, I am comparing you. Rani is as beautiful as fairy. So she is like a fairy. Who is Rani? Okay. So like you can get some more examples in your textbook. Just you can fill the last one. Okay. See children, now you can turn the page number 38. Look at the second month. Okay, you can write this match the following. Okay. Look here now. In the table on the right side, column A consists of object which can be compared with the object given in column B. You need to match the columns to find the appropriate pairs and write an adjective using the two objects. First one has been done for you. Look here now. They have given here Raghu is as strong as an ox. So Raghu, look at the picture. Raghu, how is? He is very strong. How is strong? He is strong as an ox. See, ox is very fat and strong, right? It's very fitness, right? Look here, Raj is also same. Okay, he is similar to ox. So that they have given Raghu is as strong as an ox. Okay. So like you want to compare the sun. Okay. Sun is as round as ball. Now I am comparing the sun to the ball. Okay. Now I am comparing the baby to the fish. Okay. Baby is as swimming as fish. So now you can match the baby to the fish. Next one. Lady is tall as giraffe. Okay, lady is as tall as giraffe. So you can match the lady to the giraffe. So now it has completed. What's the grammar behind it? Adjectives are words that describe nouns. They describe the noun or the name of a person, place or thing. Use a suitable adjective to describe the following nouns. Dear children, they have given some nouns here. Beast, dinosaur, back, neck and mountain. So what do you do now? So you want to write the correct adjective for that noun. Okay. First one. See, first one I am taking the beast. Okay. Beast, nothing but animal. So beast is the noun. How does the beast? How does it look like? Okay. So that's the ancient beast. So they have given here already. Look here. B-E-A-S-T. Beast is a noun, isn't it? So before the noun, I want to write an adjective. You know which adjective is suitable for that? Ancient. A-N-C-I-E-N-T. Ancient. How is the beast? Ancient beast. Okay. Like second one. Dinosaur. How is the dinosaur? That's a large dinosaur. See, how is the dinosaur? That's a large dinosaur. Okay, how is that? That's a large dinosaur. Are you understanding now? Fine. Okay. For the remaining nouns, you want to write the adjectives. Okay. Dear children, today's class you have learned the textbook activity of So Big, right? Fine. So, if you did not complete, you can take your textbook and you can watch the video and you can complete that. Okay? So, you can complete the second main also. Dear children, today's class you have learned the textbook activity of 5th poem, right? Very good. So, if you did not complete that, then you can complete today. Okay? I will send the assignment later. You can see that and you can read all questions and write the answers in your assignment book. Okay? So until you can keep practice on all activities of the 5th poem. So bye bye. Have a nice day.